What's up, everybody? It's the Blind Bearded Chef again coming to you. Zeke, that's me, y'all. That's me. About to make a cake. Upside down pineapple cake. That's a classic. Well, my sister asked me to make her a cake, and I owe her a cake. So I say, well, I don't have an upside down pineapple cake on my YouTube page, so you know what? Let's do one. All right, be right back, y'all. Upside down pineapple cake. In this bowl right here, I have 3 cups of self-rising flour. I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and I have a small pack of vanilla pudding in here. So mix all that together. That's going to be your dry. I put all these ingredients in the description box because I don't know what order I'm going with this pineapple, upside down pineapple cake. So that's your flour, baking powder, salt, and vanilla pudding. All right. All that's mixed up. All right, put that there. Right here, I have 2 sticks of unsalted softened butter. And so to that, I'm about to put 1.5 cup of granulated sugar. So that's 1.5 cups of granulated sugar to 2 sticks of butter. And we are about to cream this up. Basic Cake 101. All right. Now you got the sugar and butter mixed up. It look like wet sand. Scrape the sides down. And you got to put 3 large eggs in there. So, scrape these sides down. Like that. And we're going to crack 3 eggs at a time. Crack your 1 egg in the bowl. Make sure you don't have no shells in it. Make sure that egg is good. All right. So you put your first egg in there. And let's mix. And we're going to do 3 like that. All right, y'all, look at here. This way you know you're gonna have a good batter. Let me show y'all. Look at that. Look how fluffy. See that? That sugar. Look at that. Look how fluffy that is already. All right. So the 3 eggs are in there. Now let's add about 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'm just gonna go by my ears. That's gonna be 1. That's gonna be 2. All right, let's whip this in. All right, mix that extract in there. Let's put in 1/4 cup of sour cream. 1/4 cup of full fat sour cream. All right, let's mix that in there. I have 1 cup of whole milk right here. So I'm going to be alternating the milk and the dry ingredient. So I'm gonna put my mix on like this. And I'm gonna put some dry, then I'm gonna put some wet. Okay. Put like a 1/2 cup of dry. Put some of our milk. All right, so we're gonna do this in batches, so about 3 batches. What you see is a very thick batter, so we have everything in there. Except one more thing. We're gonna put in, scrape your sides down, and we're going to put in our 1/2 cup of pineapple juice. So, yeah, look how thick that is. Look how thick. That's a nice batter right there. Let me do that right quick. My hands wash, y'all. One thing I do is wash my hands. All right, let me go wash them again. Be right back. All right, let's put our mixer back in there. Let's turn it on slowly. And let's add that pineapple juice. One-half cup of pure, fresh pineapple juice. All right, y'all, look. Look how nice and creamy this batter is. Look at that. All right, now let's get the pan together. So we got the batter out the way. So now you're going to need your pan. You're going to need some of these little cherries that I can't pronounce. Marcello, hell, whatever they call. And you're going to need your pineapple circles right there. And you're going to need about 3/4 cups of brown sugar. And I got to get a half a stick of butter. Be right back. I'm making it in this small pan, tube pan right here because I'm making this cake for my sister. And she said she wanted a small one, so I had to improvise. So you don't have to flour and butter the bottom, just the sides and that little stem right there. So I got my butter melted. This is 1 stick. So I'm going to put butter at the bottom of this melted butter. I'm not going to need the whole stick, just a half a stick. So I'm putting it at the bottom of this cake tube pan. All the way around the... Now you got that butter around there. Take your brown sugar and sprinkle all around that pan. This is going to caramelize. This is going to caramelize when this cake is baking. So sprinkle that brown sugar around there. Then we're going to place the pineapple rings. Try to spread it evenly. All right, let's place our pineapple rings. Place them flat down. That's 1. That's 2. Okay, that's 3. I think this pan holds 5. Yeah, so I have enough to make 2 of these. That's 4. Yeah, exactly 5. Holds exactly 5. So see there? Look. See how they're arranged in there? Now, you want to get your cherries and put your cherry in the middle of each hole. So, that's a cherry in that hole. So let me go around here with the cherries. All right. Got my cherries decorated in there. Y'all, I don't want to tilt it. And so I got my oven set at 350, and now we're going to put the batter on top of it. So I'm going to do it with an ice cream scooper. That way I can go put it on there, that I can level it off. Level it off when I finish putting the scoops around it. Be right back, y'all. All right, there you go. About to put it in the oven for between 40 and 45 minutes. Okay. Right, y'all, just took out the oven. It was in there for 45 minutes. It's hot. Let me take my toothpick and go on this inside right here. I gotta go back and look at get somebody else to look at the beginning of these videos. I had the kitchen light off the whole time I was recording this video, y'all. So I hope my phone, I had my phone on automatic flash, so I hope it's lit up when I put this video together. If not, I have to do this whole video over again. All right, we're gonna let this cool off in 5 minutes, and then we're going to flip it. All right, there you go. I then flipped it out of the pan. It's cooling off. I thought it had failed, but it didn't. I forgot I had put it in a smaller tube pan. I'm so used to putting it in the other tube pan where it'd be tall. But that go our upside down pineapple cake. I'm gonna let it finish cooling off, and I'm gonna put it in the box with my sister. Now I'm gonna make mine so we can do a taste test. All right, y'all. All right, here go the sample, y'all. It's not as cute as the one I made my sister's because I took the scraps and made me up a little sample so we can taste it. So let me cut a piece and let's taste this ugly one. All right, the cakes are finished. Y'all seen the cute cake I did for my sister, and y'all seen the ugly sample cake that I did for myself. So let's get this taste test together, y'all. Let me clean my palate with a little rum punch. Y'all remember that rum punch I made the other day? Y'all better go make that rum punch. I'm telling y'all, it's delicioso, if that's a word. All right, let's see if I still got it. See, I had to make her a smaller cake, and I'm not used to making small cakes. Yes, I still got it. Y'all, this is one of the best cakes. I'm telling you. When that brown sugar and that butter at the bottom of that pan caramelize and give you like this sticky glaze over that pineapple, and that cherry I can't pronounce, Marcello, Marciachos, wherever that, whatever that cherry is, y'all, this is a good cake. Now, if I make it again, I don't like to split the batter up. I like to put all the batter in one cake pan so it can be tall. All right. Y'all see me make it? Cheers. Go make you one. Bye, y'all. Have a good night.